Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's begin. If you're unable to type or edit your document, don't worry. This method will help you resolve it by refreshing your Office installation. Start by locating the Microsoft Word application on your computer. Use the search bar to find Word, then right-click on it and select Open File Location. This will take you to a folder containing the shortcut. From there, right-click the Word shortcut again and choose Open File Location once more. Doing this twice will lead you to the actual installation folder for Microsoft Office. At the top of the File Explorer window, you'll see the folder path. Open the folder labeled Microsoft Office. Once you are here, then go to the root folder. Here, then navigate into the folder named Office 16 or a similar version depending on your installation. Inside this folder, look for a file called ospp.rearm or ospp.rearm.exe. If file extensions are hidden, it may just appear as ospp.rearm with the type listed as an application. Once you find it, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. If a prompt appears, confirm it. A command window may briefly open and close. This is normal. Repeat this process 3 times in total, as running it multiple times helps reset the Office licensing status. Before doing this, make sure all Office applications are closed and that you're using an account with administrator privileges. If you have trouble finding the file, try sorting the folder by name or type. After completing these steps, the selection lock issue should be resolved and you should be able to edit your Word documents normally again. And that's it. This is how you can unlock selection in Microsoft Word. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.